iPhone 7. Let's check the serial number. Version 12.1, serial number HG7F. What we got today is audio IC disease. Audio IC issue. How do we know it? We go to the voice memo, try to press recording the sound. It should say recording failed, no audio device found. Means the audio IC itself is not working. So all we have to do is take out the IC and see, and maybe we need jumper. Usually 100% is the same pack broken, so we need to jumper that pack even the packs is not broken. iPhone 7 audio IC repair done. HG7F 12.1. Let's try voice memo. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Hello. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Hello.